Greetings, Assalamu alaikum, love and comfortability in the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast of the world. So here I go, well, before I go further, I would love to extend my greetings to the four corners of the world, to England, Germany, Sweden, London, Spain, Italy, all over the world, Can't forget to bow and pick up all African brothers down there in diaspora, African Americans and Americans Africans. So right, it was all about car sales project in the Gambia, and then the road construction company project right across the Gambia, across the right. So well, before we're going to show you the road project, here is Mbowen Car International. So right, we're going to show you the cars, and then we're going to move to the next car. When we move into the next car park, we will show you the road construction right in the Gambia. Babaji always behind the camera. Rocky Child, the eye of the Gambia, the Prince of Africa. We're working hard each and every day to make a better name and a proper name, a standard name for Gambia and for Africa, same way. So we got the powerful love for Africa. So by really living in Africa, the best solution is not to solve the bad news, sad news in the Gambia. So right now, I'll go for the show you the car park right now, Boeing's car, which is not far away from the Sokoto flyover here.
And turntable flyover.
Turntable, we call it turntable flyover. So right now, this is the car park, right? Boeing's car, those are the dial number, in case. And then there are different cars, yeah?
Yeah, Mbowen have different cars, smart, and
Yeah, smart cars, Boeing's car, international.
latest cars.
Latest, so cameraman can show you, and then anyone that you want to speak to them, call a number up there, talk to them, they will let you know about the price. Or we will specially come for a video to price and cost. So we will put the price of the cars right now. This one is very good, yeah? So this is the direct number, in case.
Yeah, Jeeps are there, Humas are there, you can see Range Rovers, BMW, Benz.
Range. But you love Range, yeah?
I love Range.
That's Range Rover, BMW.
It's a BMW, so yeah.
Match settings. So there are cars behind there, behind in case. So this is the road construction. Right. So Babaji is the one behind the camera. So today he's the one that will be in the front of the camera, and I, Lucky Child, will be behind the camera today. Va, come. So talk to the world.
Yeah man, greetings once again. Yeah, but Lucky loves the Gambia. Shout out to every viewer out there, shout out to the whole subscribers supporting Lucky Loves the Gambia. We all see the love from a distance. Always can't forget to bow and big up to our farms out there. Lucky Child.
Yes man, big up to yourself, man.
So nice to view the Gambia and see how the Gambia is developing and what we got in the Gambia here. You can see they are building the feeder roads, making it nice, and you can see within the road, you can see car sales, business, buildings, nice buildings. You can see,
yes, right.
The niceness and the oneness and the beautifulness of Gambia. Shout out to every Gambian out there. In England, Finland, America, anywhere, out of the world you are. Shout out to yourself, But when I say pick up to yourself, I got the master of I got a family there, contact Babylon Jelly. Everywhere I'll be starting for that.
Yeah, so right now, Papa, I tell you, you want you land it.
I want you. Gambia, ni guy told you, I learned about him told you. It is film mala. For the guy that will go.
Hey, Abueta.
You must shoot all the
Gambian.
Yeah,
I give you a phone number, in case this is the Boba juice made in Gambia, man.
Yes, made in Gambia.
Made in Gambia.
Number mantaraji.
But I forgot to answer supermarket.
Number bijere wa number roptale.
Yeah, I'm clearly 750. Oh man.
Something like 0006.
Yeah man, Boba, answer turntable also, like when going to. Very nice, eh?
Yeah.
Wow, Gambiana thing.
feeling like this.
We're so happy to drink Gambian juice.
Definitely, yeah.
Yeah, and don't spoil my girl mundo all konyadi. Locally. I tell you, this is not local there. This is African thing. So African thing there is not local thing.
Nah, man.
This is natural. A natural bawa juice.
Jola said kubakak.
Kubakak. Sito. Boy, mo bari tur. Nango to na la juice tu bab. Man, na nyum may wai. Apa nyu wona len fole futale bi dora. Wow, Bagazi.
Wow.
So shout out to my brother Amara and Fat K Network. Fat K, in case when you never know about Fat K Network, you can simply go to her platform, subscribe, like it, and then share the channel to the four corners of the world. So this is the Fira Road. Those are going on right. Where are we?
We are just
in Bijilo. In Bijilo.
Yeah, we are in Bijilo.
This is a compactor, yeah? Yeah. So this is where they stop, yeah?
Yeah, this is where they stop.
So tomorrow they're gonna continue because today is an off day for them, but we have no off day. It's only Friday we off. Jumuha.
Even Friday when you got things to do, we go do a straight and do it.
Yeah, you know the Friday Jumuha is very important, you know.
Yeah.
So we're going to show you. The both sides of the roads are constructed, but Park Baji we're going to show you from here to where it ends here.
That's
Straight. Yeah, where it started. So the journey is going far, straight up. So Pabaji will be on the journey.
Big up yourself, man.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. Saying bye bye.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. Pabaji, look at you.
Have a good day, I mean.
Yeah, stay blessed.
Alright.
Other guides, yeah?
Same here, sir. Yeah. Yeah, man, just still showing you the development in the Gambia. That's the feeder road. Today is Sunday, so the place is somehow boring. It's a relaxing day. People are inside, so that's they went for. All of you guys are saying endo. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. That's Jome Car Park. That's Jome Car Park. It's also one of the car sales in the Gambia. Sells wonderful and nice cars. And smart cars, same way. My brother Jome, big up to myself. I'm subscribed and wait for the video tomorrow. We have to pass by here and make a video. He has just passed by and you can see what kind of car he's carrying here. That's a Honda, Range Rover. That's a Toyota hybrid. And you can see also there's a Range Rover, that's a BMW, and that's a Peugeot. So many cars are in here. You can see that's also is a Toyota hybrid, and that's a what's the name again? Chrysler. Wow. So the car here are very nice and good, innit? So subscribe and wait for the tomorrow video. That's Jome, and you can simply when you wanna call them, you can check their numbers on the signboard. Call them tomorrow. We are coming to Jome Car Sales Place located in Bijilo, West Coast region. So this is the Gambia, our homeland. Constructions are going. pizzerias called Europe Chicken and Windows. So them their number in case anyone out there, anyone viewing and want this project. See, that's it. Call it Gambian Turkey. That's so well. The City Plaza Begilo, which you have in restaurant downstairs here, Paris, and so many restaurants. This is the Gambia. Yo, subscribe and share the links to the four corners of the world. Yes, I just subscribe as I say and share this link to the four corners of the world. That's your boy Papa, always behind the scene there. Shout out to my brother out there who got some mission to do. It's all about my brother, local child. So right from Bijilo to Brucey Bay flyover or Brucey Bay turntable. As at nowadays, instead of calling it turntable, got a new name of called flyover Bijilo. What is the name again? Brucey Bay flyover. But the popular name of the place is turntable. Wow. That's it. So that's where the road stops. So thank you for watching. And never forget to subscribe. Never forget to share the link to the four corners of the world. And never forget to like, comment at anything you wanna comment, and anywhere you want for us to go, you can drop a comment. Love you all. Have a good Sunday. Bye bye.